Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Today we have a special guest, my wife.
Hi.
Hi. So, I do some of the cooking out on the grills, try to do a cook once a week. And then 3 days out of the week, we order meals online and have them delivered to our house. And we are going to do an unboxing of the product and talk about why we went with this company versus other companies. And my wife, Kelly, is the one that does the ordering of it and does the selections and most of the time does the cooking of them. And we're just going to unbox it and I'm going to ask her some questions while we go about doing it.
Sounds
So,
good.
are you
Let's
ready?
do this. I am ready.
All right.
Yep, let's do it.
Okay, so we go with Home Chef. Why did we choose Home Chef?
I chose Home Chef because it gives us the most bang for our buck, and they give us free delivery as well. We have tried Every Plate was one of them that we tried, and then we tried HelloFresh as well. I can't really remember with HelloFresh. I feel like they charged us a delivery fee. Maybe their dinners were a little less expensive. So we were paying right around the same, but I believe that I didn't want to pay the delivery charge and felt like we were getting a better deal with Home Chef. Every Plate had a pretty good selection as well, but not a very big selection as compared to Home Chef. They have a really great selection. A lot of repeats were with Every Plate. And they also charged a delivery fee, and they were a little bit less expensive, but their protein portions were a little bit smaller. The ounces per serving was a little smaller. So I went back with Home Chef. I do really like them. I like the way it's packaged. I like the different options that they give us. They give us these nice big cards and tells you what we ordered and then the instructions on the back. It's really helpful. It tells you what you need to do to start, if you need to turn your oven on, if you need to, how many pans you need and things like that. So what they do is they pack it in these frozen ice packs.
Gel packs.
Everything is nice and cold when you get it.
Now, usually, what is it, like 1 day shipping?
No, we do get the order. The order goes through on Friday, and then we get it on Wednesday.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Okay.
a couple days probably.
So there it looks like they have the vegetables all in one package. Now, are these separated per the meal?
They are. We get 3 meals a week, like you had said earlier. They are separated by meal. That was another thing with Every Plate. They combine everything in one box, all combined. So you have to sort through it. This is kind of nice, makes it a little bit easier to already have it separated out. It's also separated out by portions too.
Oh, wow.
For your dinners. So kind of nice. I really like it. Makes it really easy to prepare. And so those are the vegetables and side dishes. All your spices are in there. Then at the very bottom, there's 2 more gel packs, and then there's your proteins for the meal.
Okay, so those are all packed together just in one bag.
Yeah, there's this particular one is chicken, and I think some meat products. This is pork tenderloins that already cut. So, makes it real simple.
And it's a complete meal, so it's got the protein, the meat, the veggies.
Yep.
You don't have to pull anything from the fridge
Nope.
to add to it.
Nope,
Everything's
not at
there.
all. The only thing you need is oil and salt
Very nice.
and pepper.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. And now it looks like, I think this is biodegradable if you cut it open, and they try to make it as recyclable as possible on the shipping.
Yep.
Very nice.
Yep.
All right, well, let's see what we're going to do tonight. Okay, so this is the menu card that it comes with. We're going to do orange garlic shrimp tonight. Says it should be prepared 25 to 30 minutes. It's intermediate and it's not spicy. That's the important thing, not spicy. It tells you what there is in your box. Flip it over, turn it around, and it gives you all the instructions on how to cook it step by step, which is very nice. And you look here on the bag of your vegetables and spices, it says orange garlic shrimp. And then you have your shrimp that goes along with it. So now we're just gonna get it all ready and take a look at it when it's all done.
Yeah, I was going to show you the ingredients.
So you got little spice packets. And
the rice and
That's right.
everything's packaged. And this is orange sauce.
you got your orange sauces.
Yep.
You get the orange chicken.
Yep.
You got garlic cloves.
Actually, it would be shrimp.
Shrimp. I keep
Yep.
saying chicken.
Yep.
And you got your ginger and other things. Very nice. All right, let's get into making this. Here we have all the ingredients cut up and ready to be assembled or cooked. Got it all laid out here with the instructions. Over here we got rice already going. The rice came with this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the rice came with it. Got it on the stove, ready to go. Once that gets, the shrimp's not going to take long to cook, so we're getting her done. Here you see how much rice that came with this. This is enough for, I think, 3 meals, but we only order it in 2 meals. And we get the rest of the ingredients on these.
Looks good, Mama.
And all of that came in the meal prep.
$10 a meal.
$10 a meal, 2 meals, portions. Oh yeah, you can tell that's definitely plenty of food for dinner. Let's get us a quick taste here. Got a shrimp, some of the veggies, got the rice. Cheers. Wow. Definitely tastes like orange garlic shrimp. That's awesome. It's really good. Not spicy at all. Yeah, so that's kind of our review of the Home Chef meals. And like I said, we order 3 of them, 3 meals a week, 2 meals in each box. So total of 6 meals, but simple, easy peasy, done. Well, like I always say, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask. I'll try to answer them. Check out Home Chef and tell them Rshackbbq sent you there. Don't think it'll do anything, but you can tell them that. Anyway, until next time, friends, grill on or cook on.